Hi, this is Kathleen from RDR Wellness, and I thought it was a great idea to create a little video on how to use the Sonata headset. So when it comes in your package at home, it will come into a little case. When you open up the case, you will find your headset like this. To open it up, you just click it to the left and the right, and you can use it. To put it back in your case, you just click it back in, and then you can store it back. Now, we don't use batteries in our Sonata device, so we have a little tool here. It's a USB cable, and to charge your device, there is a little opening right here, and you put your cable in there, and then with the USB cable, you put it in a normal phone charger. To make your headset work, there is a side with white buttons and a side with black buttons. Now, with the black buttons, there is a little button right here, and this is to put it on. When you put it on, you will see there's a blue light that comes on directly. That means that your device is charged and ready for use. The sounds will directly start playing. At the last sound that you played before, this is where it picks it up. Then to actually make it louder or softer, you just click on these white buttons. This is for louder, this is for softer. To go to the next sound or to select another sound, you actually hold the button for 2 seconds and it will go directly to the next sound. So you do 1, 2, and a voice will tell you which sound it is, and then you can start listening. To go back, 1, 2, and it goes back to the other sound. Now, on the other side, there is a little feature here, right here, to change this headset to a speaker. So you push it, and do it like this. And now you can hear it. It's coming out of the speaker. I have created this feature because there are people that don't want to put the headset on while they are sleeping, while they are trying to listen to the sleep sound. So that's why I have created this feature that when you sleep, that it can come out of these speakers. Now, to close down your headset again, you go to the power on button and you just click, and you will see that the light goes out. In your little box, there's also a little manual, a user's manual that explains everything on how to use the headset and which sounds are on the headset. Our email is on there, so if you have any other questions, just shoot us an email and we will get right back to you. I hope this little video helped, and cheers to a healthier life. Thank you. Bye-bye.